In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online store using Wix. Whether you're just starting out or expanding your business, creating a professional online storefront can be a significant step forward. We're going to explore the process of adding a Wix store to your site, configuring your products, and ensuring everything is set up to start accepting payments. First, open your Wix Studio Editor. On the left side menu, you'll see an option for the app market. Click it, and in the search bar type Wix Stores. Once it appears, click Add to Site. Automatically, you'll see new store pages, such as product and cart pages, integrated into your website. These are fundamental parts of your online store that allow customers to browse and purchase your products. Now, to go live and start accepting payments, you must upgrade your site to a Business Premium or Studio plan. Once that's sorted, head over to your site's dashboard and navigate to Store Products. To add a new product, simply click on the plus New Product button. Next, you'll choose the type of product you are offering. You can select between a physical product or a digital file. While some steps vary slightly between these options, most of the setup is the same. For both types, it's crucial to add product media. Upload high-quality images or videos that accurately showcase your product. For physical items, consider including diverse shots, such as studio photos and lifestyle images, showing the product in use. If you're selling a digital product, you might only need a single image, but remember to upload the actual downloadable file, too. Now, let's enter some basic product information. Start with a clear and descriptive product name, then proceed to the description. Here, detail the key features and benefits. Feel free to utilize the built-in AI text generator to refine your text. You can also add ribbons, which are labels like New or Sale that appear in your store gallery. Don't forget to categorize your product, ensuring it's easily found by customers browsing your store. The next task is setting up pricing and product options. Establish a base price for your product, and if it's on sale, enable the sale price option. For items with variants, such as different sizes or colors, click plus Add Options. You'll need to set a price, cost of goods, and inventory for each variant individually. If your products can be personalized, consider adding custom text fields so customers can, for example, request engravings. Controlling your inventory is also essential to prevent overselling. Enabling inventory tracking will allow Wix to automatically adjust the stock count as items are sold. Alternatively, set the stock status manually if you prefer. Make sure you enter a unique stock keeping unit, or SKU, for each product to keep things organized. Lastly, explore the advanced product settings. If relevant to your business model, enable options such as subscriptions or pre-orders for unreleased items. Don't forget to input the shipping weight if you charge by weight. When everything is in place, hit Save and then Publish. You've just built your very own online store with Wix. Congratulations! Start promoting it and watch your business grow.